How to change password on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issues to change your password on MetaTrader 5? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone and mobile devices. Once you open the app, now just simply tap on your profile icon. Once you click on it, again tap on it. Now you scroll down and you can see the option for change password over here. Click on it. Now choose the option according to your preference. If you want to change your master password, then just simply tap on master password and write down your current password. Once you write down your current password, now write down the new password. Make sure that no one can steal your new password. After you write down your password, now click on change. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change password on MetaTrader 5. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.